Hi, welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this video, I'll show you how to create routes on the mobile app with a fleet subscription. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Zeo mobile app. Navigate to the History tab and tap Create Route. Step 2. Add your stops. Use any available method to add stops to your route. Make sure all the details of the stops are provided on this page. When you're done adding stops, tap Done Adding Stops. Step 3. Now, select your start location, end location, and set the date for the route. Step 4. Next, you'll see an option to choose the route owner. You can select either yourself or your fleet owner. Since you are on a fleet subscription and do not have a mobile subscription, it's important to choose your fleet owner as your route owner. This will allow you to create routes with an unlimited number of stops. Remember, if you select yourself as the route owner, you'll be limited to a maximum of 12 stops per route. Step 5. Finally, tap Optimize Route or Navigate as added. Your route will now be created successfully. And that's it. You've successfully created your route on the mobile app using your fleet subscription. Thank you for choosing Zeo Route Planner, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.